Hey beautiful people, you're welcome to this channel. If you're watching this, I'm so glad to have you here. Thank you for stopping by. This is Oma Posh Beauty and Skincare TV. Here in this channel we make makeup, beauty and skincare products. So stay tuned, subscribe to this channel so you get notified when we make upload like this. And let's go straight into today's video. Okay, so I'll be showing you a simple recipe on how to make um face cream. So this is the face cream. It's really cool, really nice, that I made some times ago. So I'll just be teaching you how to make this lightening face cream. It's really good. So I have some few recipes on how to go about it. So I'll just be using this as an example. Okay, so in here, what I had in here. Okay, so this is what I use. This Olivat, you can see it's called Olivat. So it's triple action, it's anti-fungi, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and it's really good. So I have this, and I have two in here. So I have two of this in here. Then I added in a little bit of my pigment dose, a little bit of my la la la, and pigment dose. Then I added a little of this to my skin film milk. So just make sure that you get the original of these things when you're adding it. Then do not forget to balance your pH when you're done with it. So I'll just be showing you a simple recipe of how I did this. Okay, so I have I don't know if there's still something inside here. So this is the recipe. I have this. I used this for this. Let me open it so you can see. For this, so I used two of this. It's 30 grams in it, and this is 60 grams. So I used two of these. I didn't exhaust it. I think I used, so I used my tablespoon and 15 ml tablespoon to add added in my serum. So I added in this serum because they contain clotrimazole. This one too contains clotrimazole. So I added in let me show you the pack. Citroclear. It has lemon. It's a lemon extract. So I added in this. Then I used my tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of this. So 1 tablespoon of Citroclear. Then I added very tiny bit of skin film milk. I added like the skin film milk. I added very tiny, like half of this to it. So if you follow this recipe, So I added in a little bit of this because this is anti-acne. I'm actually making a spot control cream for dark areas. So I added in a little bit of this too, like this and this. So I added in 1 tablespoon of la la la. Then I added my pigment dose. Everything I'm adding contains clementine and it contains AHA. So I added in this. So I don't know how pigment dose looks like. So I added in this tablespoon of pigment dose into it to make my cream. Yeah, that's what I did. So that is that about that. So let me quickly go run through what I used. So I used these two as my base. Then I added in 1 tablespoon of this. Then I added in this. I added this size of tablespoon of skim milk. I added pigment dose, 1 tablespoon of pigment dose. Then lastly I added 1 tablespoon of la la la. And after having done this is what I have. Like this is what I have. It's really cool. So thank you for watching. If you find this content helpful, kindly thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel by using the notification bell so you get notified when I make an upload. Bye.